Hey there, you doers. You know, I've had a problem with my driver's side wiper, and just have not got around to replacing it. And I decided, let's get this done. So there are different types. So when you get your wiper blades, there are instructions in it, and they often come with different adapters you may get with your wiper blades. And depending on your wiper, you may need to use these adapters. But I think in most cases, you'll probably just have a simple J-hook and you don't require adapter than what's already on the wiper that you get. So let's get to it. Basically, when I use the wiper, it starts to streak and it probably doesn't properly wipe my wiper here. So if you look at this wiper, there is the rubber here of the wiper has actually separated. And that's not a good thing. So so when it's wiping, this thing is dragging and it's not properly wiping the water. So this probably happened because at one point my wiper froze to my windshield in the cold weather. When I pulled it off, it must have pulled off this rubber. So I'm going to take this off for you and show you how simple it is. So again, I have a J-hook on here, and I'll show you once I pull it off. But simple to remove, there is if you pull your wiper out like this, there is a little lever back here. It's a little lever, and you just pull on this push the lever up and it releases it. So then the hook hooks around the top of the wiper here, like this. And so what you do is just lift this lever up, it releases it, and you pull the wiper down. With these two hands, you just be careful you don't pinch yourself. Oh, there you go. See, okay, so you just push on the little lever under here. There's a little lever right here. Lift the lever up, and then since it hooks around like this, the J hook hooks around like this on your wiper. You just pull the wiper down gently, and once you feel it loosened, you can let go of the lever, and it should slide right out. There you go, right there. See that? So it comes out, and I'll show you close up what it looks like. Here's the wiper right here, and here's the lever. It was right here. So now I'm going to put on the new wiper. Simply get your new wiper out. This package, and it will come with instructions. Again, so this wiper is a 26-inch wiper. I have two 26-inch wipers on my vehicle. The passenger side is the same one. Yours may have a 22-inch or something like that on the passenger side, depending on your vehicle, but just look that up. So I got a 26-inch wiper. It's a blade wiper, made of rubber. It has the same setup here, where I'm going to basically pass the J-hook through the same way. So I'm just going to take this part here. You can see I'm going to take this portion here. Here's the part that goes up and down right here with the locking mechanism here in the back. I'm just going to put this back down, slide this, get this here behind the J-hook. There's a little space in here, and just slide it right in, and you'll hear it click. So now it's locked in place. There you go. That's it. Now it's attached. If I need to release it, there's that release lever here, and I could just push on it, and then I can gradually nudge it out again. So again, just take the wiper, place it inside the arm, the end of the arm, line it up with the J-hook, and then firmly pull it up into place. There you go, and you hear a click. Now it's in there. So now this wiper is new. Remove the cover of it. Should have done that earlier. So I'll just pull the cover out of the bottom here. This plastic cover here. And put it down. Let's see if it works. You hear that noise? That's actually the driver's side wiper that's squeaking, and this side is very clear. So I think I'm going to replace. I think I'm going to replace the driver's side as well. All right, there, you doers. We're all done replacing the wiper. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. Let's keep getting things done. My problem solved. You learn as you go. Be safe.